Hey there, welcome to our channel and another video. In today's video, we're going to discuss an exciting idea for a successful YouTube channel, known as a cash cow channel. I'll introduce you to various YouTube niches that have high CPM, making them strong candidates for starting your own cash cow channel. But let's skip the formalities and dive right in. Many people start YouTube channels without a clear understanding of what kind of content YouTube is willing to pay for. Some even manage to monetize their channels but end up disappointed when they receive their first YouTube paycheck, realizing it's not as much as they had expected. This disappointment often leads to discouragement, causing them to abandon the platform. But that won't be the case for you if you stick around and watch this video till the end. By the time you finish watching this video, you'll have a good grasp of the best high CPM niche YouTube ideas. Starting a YouTube channel may seem easy, but creating a cash cow channel is a different story altogether. You might have heard stories of how lucrative YouTube can be, but you may also know people who have tried several ideas without much success. The truth is, if you don't conduct proper niche research before diving into a specific topic, you probably won't make much progress. But don't worry, that's where we come in. In this video, we'll share high CPM niche YouTube ideas with you and explain how you can easily identify them. Before starting a YouTube channel, it's crucial to know a few things. Many channels out there have saturated niches that may not be suitable for beginners. Instead of following the crowd, the key to maximizing results is conducting thorough niche research before fully committing. It may not be an easy task, but worry not, because the AI age is here to help. One common mistake is assuming that YouTube videos with many likes and comments reflect the best topics for your own channel. But this assumption is flawed. Likes and comments don't necessarily guarantee success for new YouTube channels. Channels that receive substantial engagement have often been around for more than 5 years. So instead of directly competing with these established channels, I'll show you how to compete intelligently. But first, let's explore where you can find the best niche ideas for your YouTube channel. When searching for YouTube niche ideas, you should visit various platforms. One such platform is Amazon. You may have noticed how products on Amazon are categorized under broad categories like toys, books, etc. Amazon also narrows down searches to specific categories, making it a great resource for finding cash cow channel ideas. Navigating through subcategories on Amazon can help you identify unique and viable sub-niches for your YouTube channel. Other marketplaces like Craigslist and eBay can also be helpful in finding niche ideas. Online forums such as Quora or Reddit are treasure troves of ideas as well. You can explore different categories on these forums and focus on topics likely to engage viewers. Wikipedia is another fantastic platform that provides information on various topics, giving you more potential ideas for your YouTube channel. If you don't want to use these platforms, you can conduct niche research on your own. Study existing niches to identify neglected areas or find complementary niches that can set you apart from the competition. The key is to come up with something unique and marketable. Now let's discuss how to find your niche. Finding cash cow YouTube channel ideas requires careful consideration. Just because a niche is highly popular or generating a lot of buzz doesn't necessarily make it right for you. Many popular niches like cooking, sports, beauty and fashion, technology, pets, travel, tourism, education, music, photography, and finance are already saturated. However, even within these popular niches, there are untouched areas waiting to be explored. For example, imagine starting a cooking channel specifically tailored for single men. You could provide them with simple meal recipes or basic ingredients everyone should have at home. To succeed in these popular niches, you must bring something new and unique to the table. It's important to remember that success may not come overnight and it requires patience. Now let's take a look at the highest CPM niches on YouTube. CPM refers to how much you earn per 1,000 ad impressions before YouTube takes its share. CPM varies across regions and niches. For example, the average CPM in the United States differs from that in the Bahamas. Each country has its own CPM rates for different niches. After careful analysis, we have compiled a concise list of the top 10 highest CPM niches on YouTube. Let's explore these niches in ascending order, starting from the lowest to the highest CPM rates on YouTube. Fishing. Although fishing may seem unconventional as a YouTube niche, it has untapped potential. You can create engaging videos that showcase the best fishing locations worldwide. Provide tips, techniques, and insights on various types of fishing, such as freshwater, saltwater, fly fishing, or ice fishing. Discuss the benefits of fishing as a recreational activity, the equipment needed, and even share personal fishing adventures. By offering valuable and informative content, you can attract a dedicated fishing community to your channel. Survival prepping. In the wake of recent events, many people are interested in learning survival skills. This niche presents an opportunity to create exciting adventure content related to survival prepping. Conduct thorough research on survival techniques, emergency preparedness, wilderness survival, and self-sufficiency. Showcase survival gear, provide tutorials on essential skills like fire making, shelter building, and foraging for food. Your videos can educate and entertain viewers while helping them feel more confident in challenging situations. Language migration. Teaching languages on YouTube can be highly lucrative. You can create comprehensive language courses or tutorials, focusing on specific languages or language families. Keep your videos engaging and informative by incorporating visual aids, real-life conversations, and cultural insights. Help viewers grasp basic grammar rules, vocabulary, and pronunciation. Additionally, you can monetize your videos by offering language learning resources, downloadable materials, or even personalized language coaching sessions. Fashion for males. While the niche of female fashion may be saturated, the male fashion niche offers room for creativity and growth. You can specialize in male grooming, including topics like trendy hairstyles, beard maintenance, skincare routines, or even fashion tips for men. Share outfit ideas, discuss different clothing styles, and provide guidance on building a stylish wardrobe. You may also delve into specific sub-niches like male styling for special occasions or male modeling. By targeting male viewers, you can establish a loyal audience interested in enhancing their personal style. Education curiosity. This niche allows you to bring something new and interesting to the table. Choose an intriguing subcategory that sparks curiosity in viewers. For example, you can create videos exploring funny old customs, unusual traditions, or unique products from around the world. Dive into lesser-known historical events or share fascinating facts about various cultures. By delivering entertaining and informative content, you can attract viewers who enjoy learning and expanding their knowledge. Cars. The car niche is not only popular, but also offers high CPM rates on YouTube. You can create diverse content within this niche, catering to different interests. For instance, you can provide tutorials on fixing cars, ranging from basic maintenance tasks to more advanced repairs. Review different car models, showcasing their features, performance, and value for money. You may also explore the exciting world of racing cars, covering races, driver profiles, or behind-the-scenes insights. While direct earnings from videos might be challenging, you can leverage sponsorships or merchandise related to the automotive industry. Technology. The technology niche is vast, but to stand out, focus on creating content that explains technology in a way that viewers can easily understand. Rather than solely discussing innovations or the history of technology, aim to make complex concepts accessible. Create videos that break down how different technologies work, such as smartphones, Wi-Fi, or IP protocols. Provide step-by-step tutorials, troubleshooting guides, or product comparisons to help viewers make informed decisions. Monetization opportunities include affiliate marketing with tech-related products or selling ebooks on specific technology topics. Personal coaching services. YouTube viewers are always looking for valuable advice and guidance, making personal coaching services a highly sought-after niche. You can specialize in any area of expertise, be it life coaching, career development, relationship advice, personal finance, or health and wellness. Offer practical tips, share personal experiences, and provide actionable strategies to help viewers improve their lives. By showcasing your expertise and delivering high-quality content consistently, you can build a loyal audience and potentially attract clients for one-on-one coaching services. Trading and investment. Trading and investment are highly popular niches on YouTube, attracting viewers interested in growing their wealth and financial knowledge. To stand out in this competitive niche, provide unique insights, strategies, and practical advice. Identify gaps in the existing content and focus on delivering valuable information that complements what's already available. Discuss different investment vehicles, trading techniques, or analyze market trends. Monetization opportunities can include sponsorships, partnerships with investment platforms, or selling educational materials like courses or ebooks. Real estate. The real estate industry offers immense potential for a cash cow YouTube channel. If you have expertise as a real estate agent or professional, you can provide valuable advice and insights on buying and selling properties. Create videos that guide viewers through the process of purchasing homes abroad, understanding local regulations, or assessing property values. Additionally, you can offer tips on property investment, home improvement, or even showcase unique and luxurious properties worldwide. Monetization opportunities can range from sponsorships with real estate-related brands to selling comprehensive guides or offering personalized consultation services. I hope this video has given you some great ideas and got you excited about the world of YouTube niches. Remember, building a successful YouTube channel takes time and dedication, so don't be discouraged by the initial challenges. Stay passionate, stay consistent, and keep learning from the community around you. Together, we can create amazing content and make a mark in the YouTube world. It's always fascinating to discover new possibilities and explore different avenues. If you found this video helpful and enjoyable, I encourage you to take a look at the suggested videos popping up on your screen. They can provide you with even more valuable insights and inspiration for your YouTube journey. Please share in the comments what steps you plan to take to stand out in your chosen niche. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.